Hey guys, this is Ada. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm gonna talking about the dopamine withdrawal plan of myself. Recently, I'm super craving for the reality show called The Go for Happiness, and I'm super touched by their 15 years friendship, and I can still remember the time before they debut when I was 10 and I sitting in my mom's arms and watching the shows every week with my mom. And I'm the fan of Alan and Bert, of course. They are a couple. And like my friend Rohma said, Bert really has the angelic voice, and we were touched when he songs the guest and in the lifetime, the 嘉宾 and 有生之年. And here is a small suggestion that you can update the Spotify song list, and I can recommend that to my friends easily. And okay, let's go back to the topic of the 7 days dopamine withdrawal plan. I planning to stop all the social media apps like the WeChat, Moment, Bilibili, Weibo, Instagram, YouTube, and other music apps. And if I can challenge myself successfully, I will buy myself a ukulele or a Polaroid camera for myself. Yeah. Wish my PhD journey all the best. See you. 终于搞错了身份，称兄道弟，不懂话题怎么转移，有些道理。